Welcome to Visit Startup Series. I'm Lotto Lai. I'm continuing to introduce the Hong Kong Tech 300 Startup Program to you. Today is a Unit 8 talking about customer interviews. What to ask during the customer interview? There are 3 ground rules. First, no pitching. We are not convince your customer. We look to understand what they need. Ask the past and present questions, and then do not ask about future questions. Don't use would or will because we like to know that it's past or now the problem they face. And question that should be considered the following template. Tell me a story about the last time, and what was the hardest, and why was that hard? How do you solve it now, and why is that not awesome? And we have the 20 minutes to answer the following 4 questions. First, you need to identify 3 targets and with their contact details so you can approach your customer for interview. Second, you write down 3 hypotheses that you believe your potential customer will have. Third, using the template question I just introduced to cater for your business. And then try to ask interview 2 people outside of your team and test your interview question and write the notes. Now, I'll introduce my example for you. I identify the 3 target. Contact. First is Dr. Ray. He's the chairman of Hong Kong STEM Education Alliance, so we can contact through him with the STEM teacher in Hong Kong. Second is Mr. Yun. He is the primary and secondary school working committee in CAI. It is one of path you can contact mainland China's primary and secondary student teachers. And the last one is find my friend in the primary school teacher, and we can direct the contact to get her view on your product. Now I'm introducing the 3 hypothesis problem. We believe it is a potential problem for teacher. First, in the previous unit, we identify your target audience in the 3 ways. It's a teacher, parent, and student. So now, if we would like to promote our program, we would contact the teacher. So I select the teacher as an example. We believe they will find it hard to find the interest and ease to learn new course in the market design that's specific for innovation and creativity. Second, a new course without employ too much resource and time to teaching, it is hard to find in the market and design. And third, our hypothesis that the new course, it is hard to find aligned with STEM education policy in Hong Kong and mainland China. It is a 3 hypothesis. And then we can ask the 3 questions: do extended align with this STEM education policy? The student interested in studying a new subject and its effectiveness after the study, and how many workload for teaching this subject. So we need to study. Using the template question, cater for your business. First, tell the story. In the last time, extended teaching in the workshop style, it is too long. For example, level 1, 3 full day, level 2, 3 full day also, level 3, 6 full day to complete the whole exercise. What was the hardest? The hardest is to attend the long workshop and do and complete exercise during the workshop. It's very hard. The second, Why was that hard? Because it needs to understand some background information and practice several times to make it perfect. And how do you solve it now? We try to transfer this learning process from workshop exercise to game exercise using gamification. Why is that not awesome? Because through the game, students will adopt more easier and less resistant compared with the workshop. And then we try to interview 2 people outside. I need to write the notes. I would like to share the interview question with design. And first we will ask that, do you think creativity and innovation is important for student learning? I think most teachers will think yes. Do you think the AI relevant to STEM? Absolutely yes. And then I expand aesthetic is one of foundational AI theory which created by Chinese scholar originally for solving contradiction problem and enhance new product design for innovative ways. Do you think it is interesting by your school top management? And then the last question we asked, do you think using gamification to study that theory could be more effective? And then after interview, we will collect their result and then we try to ask more open-end question to collect their feedback. What is the past? What is the person they face the problem is? So thank you for your attention. See you in next unit. Bye bye.